wet out.
People like, you should have brought a jacket, stupid.
It's not even cold.
No.
The rain is just cold. We're not used to it now because winter just ended.
That's the bed. Now I gotta use the bathroom. Ooh.
Appropriate. You're recorded.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Burping's fine. That's not inappropriate. I'm sure that will show.
Alright.
Which way?
Straight.
Straight shot.
Then we take the left. Thank God it's not freezing.
No, but the rain is still cold.
Yeah, it is. You gotta realize it's probably 30 degrees.
No, it's 42.
You know, in Red Dead, if it were like this, our course would be showing to a snowflake. It's like, please put on warmer clothes. I can't.
You don't want
This
to.
is real life.
No, I'm probably gonna put it away because we're almost to the highway here.
I'm gonna put a cheat in this.